Take a look at this one. Can't say I've ever seen one of these in person. 1958 Edsel Citation, which would have been their two-door convertible. This is quite a rare car. Actually, 930 of these cars were built. And so who knows how many actually still exist. Of course, the Edsel was founded by Ford Motor Company in 1958, started its own line. I believe it went from 58 to 60, named after Henry's son. Ford family decided to do that. That's where the Edsel nameplate came from. When it was designed, it was the inside of the designer and his direction was supposed to make it look like nothing else on the road. A lot of ways he did accomplish that. It became known as the horse collar grille with the Edsel insignia on the inside. Now these particular cars, powered by a 410 cubic inch 8-cylinder underneath the hood. This particular one has power steering and power brakes also underneath there. It has had a repaint. Is a color change. I would call this a nice driver quality. You'll find some imperfections in the paint here and there. We buffed it, detailed it, and it came out pretty nice. If you take a look at the reflection and the luster of the paint, you can see it does have a nice finish to it. Although you can see like here where there's a few either little touch-ups or little imperfections in it, but I would call this a nice driver. And again, you're not gonna see one of these every day. 930 of them built. Take a look up and down it, see how nice and straight it is, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Interior is also in very nice shape. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, the interior engine bay, check it out in the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Our number 507-386-1726 also. Come around to the back, you can see a nice black-red two-tone color combination. Top on this car is white. Top is also in nice shape. You can see it comes with the boot. Also matching the top, and then the interior, of course, a red and white combination. The top is also power. Top works fine, goes up and down nicely. This does also have power windows to it. Go around to the back, you know what's called the bat wing rear tail lights due to their shape of the following the trunk line. Chrome and bright work on this car, nice shape as you can check out in the video and those still pictures. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. We'll start it up here in a little bit. We'll check out underneath the hood also. Again, look up and down the driver's side here. You'll see the bright work. Also in nice shape. Paint is not full of nicks or dings or scratches on this side either. You can see the car is nice and straight. One of the cool things on this does have the Teletouch automatic 3-speed, which is right there. That was an option. Played around with the interior of this a little bit. The wipers do work in it. I have had that working. Did not get the radio to come on. Very cool, nice looking car. Be proud to take this one to any of your local shows, roll-ins. You're probably not going to run into another one like it. They did make another Edsel convertible, but the Citation is kind of the more popular one. Less made, a little more valuable. Let's go ahead and check out the interior dash. Start this thing up so you can hear it run. All right, check out the door panels. You can see the power window switches down there. Other than that, appears to be pretty stock as far as the dash goes. Now, like I said, this has had a repaint and the interior has also been redone. See how easily that starts? Push button transmission, teletouch. Very cool. Here the engine runs smoothly. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can hear that run. Other thing cool on these, check out the speedometer. Now that odometer, as you can see, shows about 57,000 miles on it. We do not have documentation or any sort of paperwork that would back that up. And it wouldn't stay on the title, so can't confirm or deny if that's original miles or not. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8, but nothing too crazy, just nice sounding engine. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second because I want to pop that hood for you and we'll check out the engine bay. I did want to note there is a little crack in the windshield here, but it's not going to go any further, it looks like, just in that circle there. A little bit of delamination, just want to make you aware of that. And I'm going to pause this now and we'll pop the hood. Alright, so we got the hood popped. Here's that E475 engine. It runs nice and smooth. Check out the underside of the hood, also nice, clean, tidy condition. Remember, 410 cubic inches paired with the automatic transmission. And it's a teletouch. Slip around this side for you too. So there you have it. One you're not going to see every day. 1958 Edsel Citation Convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, the still pictures can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com, which take a look down below this video. In the description, you're going to see a link that'll take you right there. Please call with any questions. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation, getting this to where you're located at. Financing is available. And of course, we do consider trades. Look forward to hearing from you.